Nesco FD-61WHC Snackmaster Express Food Dehydrator. The best food dehydrator for jerky we've found is the Nesco FD-61WHC Snackmaster Express Food Dehydrator. This is one of the most complete food dehydrator kits you will find today, providing you with everything you need to make delicious pieces of beef jerky, as well as other snacks like dehydrated banana slices or other fruits and vegetables. In addition to a powerful vertical food dehydrator, this kit also comes with a jerky gun, allowing you to make your own jerky quickly and easily. The Nesco FD-61WHC Snackmaster Express Food Dehydrator has 5 trays that can be stacked vertically and has a powerful feature of 500 watts. To provide a better drying speed and superior quality dehydrated foods, this device also comes with a top-mounted fan. In addition to the jerky gun and the actual food dehydrator, the kit also comes with a fruit roll sheet, as well as a clean and screen attachment that makes the dehydration of herbs a breeze.